Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video which is again going to be very helpful and is another addition to our festive series. I am loving how much love you all are showing to Indian festive series. There are a few videos already in the series. I am going to link the playlist here, go and check that out after this video. So this video is basically going to be about eyeliner looks, or I'm saying graphic eyeliner looks, which we are going to create today with very basic minimal techniques, but it's going to be very helpful for you and looks like you have put in a lot of effort to create these looks. So this look is one part of that looks that we are going to create with our eyeliners. So yeah, now without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the first eyeliner look with basic techniques. Let's begin. And this is the first look that we are going to create. Very effortless, but it looks like you have put in too much of effort, and that's the target here for today's video, that it should actually be effortless, but it should look like you have put in too much of effort. So for that you're going to need a smudger brush like this one, and you are going to use a gel pencil. Now you can have a gel eyeliner or you can have a gel pencil like this one. The one that I am using is by Plum and it's known as Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. Now this kajal by itself it looks beautiful, it gives amazing pigmentation, and it also helps in creating many creative looks if you are that person who like graphic liners, or who likes to be little artistic. So I think this pencil is really affordable and perfect for creating such kind of looks. And let's start. So first thing I'm going to do is I have already applied it on my lower waterline. If you see, I have applied it on the waterline and on the lash line. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on my upper waterline and upper lash line. So very basic thing that we do. No talent needed here, no skills needed here. And now I'm going to take this pencil, and as we are not pro at creating winged eyeliners, that is what we are considering here. So I'm going to pick this up like this all over my smudger brush, all over it nicely. And then I'm going to take this brush and just simply create a straight line here, just like that. And it's going to be very simple. It's going to take a few seconds because obviously pigmentation is not going to be the maximum when you pick up like this, but it's going to give you that guideline needed to create that wing. Also do it with very light hand, don't just go like that and start drawing. Don't do that, do it with very light hand. And now if you see, I have gotten myself a line here. I have that line for my wing, and now I can go in with my kajal and go. Don't try creating the whole line, just go near your lash line and try filling it up like that. So this will help enhance the pigmentation. And then again go and just try dragging that color a little bit to create the wing, and that's going to give you the illusion, perfect illusion. And with your nail or something you can just clean it up a little bit to create more sharper wing. And now I'm going very close to my lash line and just trying to create an illusion of an eyeliner. So go very close to your lash line. So it's going to look like a smudged kohl look at this point. You've already got a smudged kohl look, so you can stop at this point if you are that basic person and you like things little basic. This is how you can create a smoked out eyeliner effect. But we are going to go a little graphic, and for that what we are going to do is, again picking up my pencil, I'm just going to look straight into my mirror, like straight like this, and I'm just going to create one line here. Again very light handed, don't try to drag and draw like that because that's not going to work here. Be very light handed, hold your pencil from far and just try drawing a line on your crease, but just on the inner side. You don't have to go all the way, just on the inner side. So it's going to give you a guide again as to where you have to smudge. And now when I have got that guide, if you see, I'm going to take my brush from far again and just start smudging it out. And now what we are going to do here is that is going to create that glam in this eye look is that you can pick up any glitter liquid eyeshadow or a glitter eyeshadow that you like and just pick it up on your smudger brush again. I have picked up the shade that I like. You can pick up whatever glitter shade you like if you want to glam it up, and just apply it in between this negative space. Now there is a space between upper and lower liner, you see. Just dab that glitter or foiled eyeshadows, whatever you like, and it's immediately going to transform into a look. And this is the second look we are going to create. Now for this look, the more colors you have, the merrier it is. So basically, get together all the eyeliner colors that you have. Now here you definitely need a few eyeliners with different colors. So if you are a very colorful person like me, you might have already a few colors with you. I have a lot of colors here, but I have picked up 4 colors that I am going to use for this particular eye look. So I have a very dark popping pink, neon pink. It's known as Jaipur, I guess. This is by Cuffs and Lashes. I think this shade is known as Jaipur. Then I have a yellow shade. This is known as Bumblebee, and it's again by Cuffs and Lashes. Then I have this one, HN eyeliner. This is bought from some local store, and this doesn't have a shade name. And then I have used a glitter liner by Lakme Absolute Shine Line. This is in the shade Shimmery Bronze. So I am picking up this 4 shades. If you have 3 shades, you can go ahead and work with 3 shades. If you have 5 shades, go ahead and use 5 shades. So as I said, the more colors you'll have, the more colorful it will look. It will look more beautiful and more festive. So I'm going to use these 4 shades, and let's start. I'm going to start with my wing because that's what I'm more comfortable with. Whenever I do my wing, I start with a wing first. So I am using this Shimmer Bronze by Lakme. So when I draw a wing, you can either use an eyeshadow guard, that would give you more convenience if you are not very comfortable with drawing a wing. Eyeshadow guards definitely help a lot to create you that sharp wing, but I am okay without them, so I'll just go ahead and create a wing here. So I'll start from here and just brush it like that, and then so what you have to do, you have to feather it out just like that. Go like that and then feather out, so it gives you a very nice wing. It's a very simple basic technique. You just have to feather out and it gives you a perfect line. And then I'll draw a line here to complete that wing and fill it up. Now this might not be the best technique to draw a wing, but this is what I am comfortable with. If you have any other technique that you use and that works for you, go ahead, kudos to you, do that. Now I'm taking that pink eyeliner and now I'm going to just connect it with this thing. So basically we are doing that same winged eyeliner but with different colors. Like every color is having a small part, so that way it looks more colorful. And next step to complete this look is going to be very important. One thing that we absolutely try not to do when we are applying eyeliner is transferring it to our crease, but that is what we are going to do here. While your eyeliner is wet, just go ahead and look up and you have got your eyeliner at the top, but you have to do it while your eyeliner is wet, because if you see, this side was already dry for me, so there's no transfer done here, but this side I got a perfect transfer as I wanted, just at the center with that two colors. Beautiful. Now let me just wet this a little bit so that I can get a transfer on this side as well. And that is our second look complete. This is how it is looking. Again, very colorful, very festive, and very simple to create. What we are going to create for our next look. Again, very colorful but very easy to create. We are just going to need a few popping shades and one black liquid eyeliner. I am going to do all of this with a liquid eyeliner because I'm very comfortable with that, but if you have gel eyeliner or any paint pot that you think you can use, you go ahead and use that. Just pick up a few popping shades that would, bring out the look, and a black eyeliner. So I'm going to start with the black eyeliner. As I said, I'm comfortable with liquid, so I am using liquid. If there is any other texture that you're comfortable with, go ahead and use that. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to create that really dramatic frame for a black winged eyeliner. Like how you would do a black winged eyeliner, you would first create a frame, but this frame is going to cover all of your eyelid region till your crease, so that way you'll have maximum space to put these spots in between them. You can go thin also with it, but that way I think it would not pop as much, so I like doing it this way. So I'm going to create that frame right here. Starting from the inner corner, I'm going to go up into my crease, just create that outer wing. And now once this has dried down, we are going to just pick up our eyeliners and we're just going to put spots randomly all over. But make sure the spots or the distance between the spots that you're going to put depends on how many colors you have. I have 4 colors with me, so I am placing them far from each other so that each color gets its own space. The third look has turned out. Again, very colorful, very festive, but very easy to create. So let me know what you are thinking till here. The 3 looks that we have created, what are you thinking about them? Are you liking them? Are you going to try any of them this festive season? Let me know everything and I'll be so glad to reply to your comments. And now let's go and create the 4th look. And this look is my absolute favorite and very easy to do. Like anybody can do this look that I'm going to create next. And we are going to need again one glitter pot, like this one chunky glitter pot. Please do not use the one that you get at stationery. Use the one that is recommended for your eyes. because if it get into your eyes, it can really trouble you. So I'm going to use one glitter pot and I'm going to use one colored eyeliner. Now you might be thinking I'm using same color combinations again and again. That's so that you don't feel like you need too many color combinations or too many color of eyeliners with you. Whatever you have, just work with that. So I have these two colors which I absolutely love, and I think it goes with my dress because my dress is black, so I can use any color I want on my eyes, right? And it's going to pop out really well. So let's start. So first thing is I'm going to take my liquid liner, shake it really well, and I'm going to again create a frame on the outer wing, frame of a wing. So I'm just create a frame like that, just like that, very basic. I am going to draw a line here on how you would start a eyeliner. So you start it and then you just feather it out. That's all you have to do. You start it from your inner corner and just feather it out like that. Don't do anything else. And this is just one stroke, okay? Don't try going over and perfecting it because there's no perfection in this eyeliner. That is why I said it's absolutely easy to create and very anybody can do this. So don't try perfecting this. Whatever you have got, it's good. And once you do your frame, take your smudger brush, pick up the glitter on your smudger brush, or you can take any flat brush so that you can deposit the glitter on your eyelash region. So I'm going to dab it here. This is a perfect nighttime, makeup. If you are partying or if you are going out somewhere where you need to be glam, this is a perfect look. Looks like you have put in so much effort to create this eye look. It's very creative, but it's like 2-minute eye look, right? That we are going to create now, and I know it's not going to be as simple, but also it's not as complicated. So let's just actually start. I'm taking a white eyeliner. This is water activated eyeliner, and I'm just going to create like how we would do an eyeliner without doing any wing, just basic eyeliner. And once I am done with that white eyeliner, I'm going to take my black liquid liner again, and again I'm just going to feather it out here like I did on this side, but this time it's going to be above the crease so that it doesn't transfer, and also this way your eyes look a little bigger when you go little above your crease. And then taking again the pink shade, draw a line here, and it's just going to be again feathering out very light-handedly. And guys, those are our 5 eyeliner looks complete. Just let me know which one is your favorite and which you think you can recreate, because I think all of them were really easy to recreate, but let me know your opinion, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop that too in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. That doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. It helps my channel grow, it helps my content reach more people. So if you have reached till here and you're watching till here, please go ahead and subscribe. That would mean a lot. Until then, take care. Tada!